Alright, we're here to change the impeller out on a 4.3 Volvo Penta. The impeller on this is down at the bottom, so I'll give you step by steps on replacing this. First of all, we're going to disconnect the battery. First step, we're going to get the water out of the motor. So we'll use a size 8mm to take off all the clamps. Next step is we're going to take the bracket out that goes in between the pipes. This is a 9/16 inch socket and there's 2 bolts. Alright, we took off the bracket. Now our goal is to get the housing off for the water pump. There's 4 bolts. We can use an 8mm socket to get these 4 bolts off, and then this should just pull right off. Got the 4 bolts out. Now this thing should just pop up. There we are. And the impeller is eat up on a few sides, so we'll change that out. Alright, here's our new impeller, and then I'll show you what the old one looks like. You just don't want to mess up the brass inside there. So there's the old one. As we can see, it's missing some fins. We'll try to take some hoses off to see if we can find those in the engine. So then we'll just take this one, make sure it's, there's nothing in here. Then we're gonna spin this in here, and these fins will correct themselves. So there's no need to worry which way they're going. So then we're just gonna pop this back on in the reverse order. There is some rings in here. I always like to put a new ring on the inside down there on the motor, and it will go right like that. You just slide it on. So I'll just get some Dawn dish soap and put it around here just so it flows easy on the initial startup.